Urban 101, let's blog them up, no talking.
Then I don't fuck with you. If you don't fuck with me, then I don't fuck with you. Niggas talking down, I see the real bitch.
DJ Victorious.
Shout out BBG.
And when you see us, you know we mean business.
All my BAT niggas, what's good? Hey Pimp, what I tell you we're gonna do, my nigga? You see this? Get it too stupid, stupid. We ain't tweeting you niggas.
Hashtag no talking.
We ain't Facebooking you niggas.
Flag point the bell.
Stay off my fucking Instagram too.
If you don't fuck with me, then
fuck
I don't
nigga free around here.
Hashtag no talking to a fuck nigga. Hashtag no talking to a fuck
No
nigga.
way.
Flag point the bell, where the duck.
No day.
If you don't fuck with me, then I don't fuck with you.
DJ Moon.
If you don't fuck with me, then I don't fuck
Then
with
tell
you. Niggas talking down, I see the real pitch. If I feel threatened, I deal with
Samson, y'all already know what the fuck it is, nigga. On the Saturday No Talking video, nigga, you know I fuck with Urban 101. My nigga, y'all know the whole squad came out. Shout out Foster Park. Shout out Bang Gang. This bitch, man. Real Bang Gang. Party and bullshit, we loaded. Drink that shit. Real Bang Gang. Urban 101, real street shit. I rock with this since day one. I rock with it.